Hello everyone and welcome back to Crafty Guild. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a rose. This rose pattern is the same pattern that I have made before here in my YouTube channel. And I think I made that video last 2014 and today I'm trying to remake it. And I hope that you will find this tutorial much easier to follow. So for the materials that I have used for this project, I am using a russet white yarn and then a 5.25mm crochet hook, an I-9 hook, also a yarn needle and a pair of scissors. So now we are going to start making a rose. To start a rose, we are going to make a slip knot. This is how I make my slip knot. I think this is much easier for me to make, but if you have any other ways to make it, then you can do it. So for the beginning chain, we are going to chain 74. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can continue making 74 chains. So for now, you can pause this video and then I'll be back when I'm done with my 74 chains. Now we're done making our 74 chains. Next, we are going to make a double crochet on the third chain from our hook. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain from our hook. We are going to make a double crochet. And then double crochet in all the stitches. So for this row, we are going to make 72 double crochet stitches. You can pause the video for a while and then I'll be back when I'm done making this row. Now we're done making the first row. We are going to turn our work and then next we are going to make a chain 3. Chain 1, 2, and 3. And then skip 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then on the next stitch, make a single crochet. I'm just gonna repeat that pattern for this row. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches and then single crochet on the next. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches and then single crochet on the next. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches and then single crochet on the next. Okay, repeat that pattern until we reach the last stitch of the row. Now we're almost done making the row. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches and then single crochet in the next. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches and then single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches and then on this chain 2 from the last round that will act as a double crochet. So we will crochet we'll make a single crochet on top of that. Okay, so now we're done with row 2. We're going to turn our work, and then I'm going to proceed with row 3. We are going to chain 1, and then on the first 8 arch in here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, we are going to make a single crochet, and then 5 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 4 half double crochet, 5 half double crochet, and then single crochet. Okay, repeat that. Single crochet, 5 half double crochet, 2 3 4, and then 5, and then single crochet. Repeat. Single crochet, 5 half double crochet, 1 2 3 4, and 5, and then single crochet. Okay, repeat that pattern for the first 8 arch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can pause the video for a while, and then I'll be back when I'm done. Now we're done working on the first 8 arch, and then on the next 8 arch we are going to make a half double crochet, and then 7 double crochet and half double crochet. 7 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then half double crochet. Next, repeat that pattern. Make a half double crochet, and then 7 double crochet and a half double crochet. Half double crochet, 7 double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then half double crochet. Okay, repeat that, and then you can pause the video, and then I'll be back. Now we're going to work on the last 8 arch. For this arch we are going to make a half double crochet, 7 triple crochet and half double crochet. So just gonna repeat that pattern until we reach the end. A half double crochet, and then a triple crochet, one triple crochet, 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a half double crochet. Repeat that pattern. A half double crochet, 7 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then half double crochet. So repeat that pattern until we reach the end. Okay, so now we're done making the third row. We are going to fasten this off, and then I'm going to leave a long tail so that we can sew the flower together. And then we are going to use our yarn needle okay. So now we are going to assemble our rows. Okay, we're gonna sew the rows. Now we're done making our rose. I hope that you like this video, and if you have any comments, you can comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming free crochet video tutorials. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.